Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are showing you guys this mirror. Hey guys, so we are looking at this mirror. As you guys can see, it is highly reflective. A very nice mirror. It's got some weight to it, so keep that in mind, but not too bad. As you guys can see, it's got metal all around it, which the mirror is pushed in, which helps prevent it from breaking. On the back here, you can mount it onto a wall. They give a little not measurement, but leveler, so you guys can level it out. Now, we're not going to be installing this right now in this video. This is actually going to be something we install in our cabin bathroom in the future. But I just wanted to show you guys stainless steel all around. It is really nice, guys. Like, this is a really nice high quality mirror. So this is going to be really nice. And it's big size too. So it's big, but it's not like too big.